This session will be about a 10-item practice set A on logical reasoning. For logical reasoning practice exercises, we need to be very careful with understanding the given details so that we can map out all the givens, because most likely one logical reasoning problem will consist of several questions. So this is one little note that we need to be conscious about. So for items 1 and 2, we have one problem on this. So we have 3 friends, a chef, an accountant, and a businessman who live in the same city, each with an independent residence, a tiny home, an apartment, a farm, and each also has his own pet, a dog, a cat, and a parrot. The accountant does not live on a farm nor owns a dog. So how we do that is we use some conventions. For this case, I illustrate that with an X. So the accountant cannot be on the farm, neither can he be an owner of a dog. And then we're told that the chef has a pet dog. Okay, so the chef goes with a dog, and the businessman does not own a cat. Okay, and what else are we given? We are told also that the one who lives in a farm loves parrots. So the farm resident will have as a pet a parrot. So for the question who lives in an apartment, as we have mapped them out in here, then that gives us the answer of the accountant. For question number 2, for the same problem, we are asked for who owns the parrot and lives in a tiny house. So the one who owns a parrot does not live in a tiny house, so our answer will be none of these. For items 3 to 5 for this exercise set, we are given one problem and we need to map this very carefully. So we have 4 individuals, May, Dennis, Jonah, and Sai. And they take up journalism, architecture, chemistry, and social work. And they are from different places, which are Naga, Legazpi, Sorsogon, and Masbate, with different hobbies, including consisting of ping pong, swimming, chess, and basketball. So for this problem, we need to be able to fix those that are for sure associated with specific individuals. And going through the givens, we need to understand is that Jonah is not from Legazpi, and we indicate that with an X on Legazpi. And the one from Naga will be a social worker, and the one from Masbate does not play ping pong. Okay, and that May takes up architecture, so that's indicated with the blue highlight. That's a fixed thing. And May does not take up swimming. The one from Sorsogon plays chess. So chess and Sorsogon will have to go together. And that side takes up journalism. So that's also highlighted with a blue ink, so that we know that it's a fixed thing. So from the given, we know that Jonah would be taking up either social work or chemistry. Why do we say that? Because we understand that the available hobbies will be basketball or swimming, and this will be for those individuals from either Masbate or Legazpi. Okay, so because the social work is from Naga, okay, and that individual will be either Dennis or Jonah. Okay, so that being the case, we understand that Jonah is either a social work student or a chemistry student. And because Jonah is not from Sorsogon, so the one who is from Sorsogon will either be taking architecture or journalism. And so, from all the givens, we now can conclude that Jonah is from Masbate, okay, and Dennis is from Naga taking up social work. Therefore, Jonah is taking up chemistry, okay, and the one who is from Legazpi will be taking up swimming, and that the architect will be from Sorsogon and will not be taking swimming, so therefore he will be with the hobby of chess, and the one from Legazpi will be taking up swimming. So when we are able to map this out as in the table given, then we can answer the first question for this problem, which is item 3. What's Dennis's hobby? It will be ping pong. And the rest of the problems for this, the rest of the items 4 and 5, can be easily answered. For number 4, for the same problem, we are asked for the course of the student from Masbate, and that would be chemistry. And the question on what Mai takes up, okay, is a giveaway because from the givens, it is established that Mai takes up architecture. One problem will be the reference for 5 items, which are items 6 to 10. So we will have to be very careful in mapping this problem. Okay, so using a matrix, we're supposed to distribute within 6 days from Tuesday to Sunday 9 ice cream flavors, and that we are given the restriction that 2 flavors would be the maximum allowed per day. Okay, so if strawberry is made 2 days after Uber Choco, okay, so we will have to be very careful that a week iterates. So Sunday is followed by Monday, Tuesday, and so on. So you will have to be careful about this given that strawberry is made 2 days after Uber Choco. Okay, just take note of that. And 2 veggie flavors are available within a day after each other. So the veggie flavors would be carrots and malunggay. Given that, we will have to tag carrot and malunggay as following each other. And then we also are given that cheese and basil are offered, okay, 2 days after strawberry. So cheese and basil will have to go together, so that's 2 flavors on a given day. And what else do we know? Ube is a solo flavor, so ube will be a single flavor given on a specific day, and that comes 2 days before carrots. Then what is fixed would be that Uber Choco is available on Sunday, because Uber Choco, okay, is a reference for strawberry. So strawberry follows Uber Choco 2 days after that. So we have Uber Choco on a Sunday. Therefore, strawberry will have to be offered on a Tuesday. Okay? And ube, okay, also is a flavor that comes 2 days before carrots. Okay? So because we have to have carrots 2 days after ube, then we know that ube is available on a single day. Therefore, we will have to be conscious of that. What is another information that is fixed? So one other information that we should fix would be malunggay, which is offered a day before Uber Choco. So malunggay is offered on a Saturday. Therefore, the understanding that carrots comes before malunggay places carrots on a Friday. Therefore, ube will have to be on a Wednesday. And all the rest now would be understood to be mapped out. Okay, so for the question on when are two flavors available as mapped out in the matrix, we know that this comes on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So when is malunggay available? From the given mapping, we have that malunggay would be available on a Saturday. And then when are solo flavors available? This will have to be on Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. For the ninth question, which flavor is offered with pistachio? That would be on a Tuesday. And that goes with strawberry. Which days are nut flavored ice creams available? So nut flavors are pistachio and caramel almonds. Almonds and pistachio are both nuts. Therefore, our answer for number 10 will be Tuesday and Sunday.